Hi, welcome. I'm Jen, and I use guided meditation, mindfulness, and deep inner thinking to help people get clear and know what they want to focus on. And today I'm going to guide you through a really short exercise to tie words to breathing. This always helps me because I have a very overactive mind. And if that resonates with you, this might help you too. When I'm in a guided meditation, I sometimes catch myself rather than following my breath, I'm following my words or my thoughts. I'm not necessarily staying in it. And so I want to share with you a trick that I use, but just to practice here together. So breathing in, I'm going to repeat a word as I breathe in, and then another word as I breathe out. So breathing in, I say in, and breathing out, I repeat out silently to myself. In on the in breath and out on the out breath. Now we're going to change it up to right on your in breath and here on your out breath. Coming right into this moment, right here. Breathing in, right. Breathing out, here. And sometimes when life gets really busy, I get overwhelmed, my thoughts are on overdrive. I use the words slowing down. So slowing on the in breath and down on the out breath. Just slowing down and letting go. So there's some tension you want to let go of. Maybe there are some thoughts that you're having on repeat or situations. Breathing in, letting. Breathing out, go. In, letting. Out, go. And now, if it feels right and if you're in a safe place to do this, you can soften your gaze or maybe even close your eyes and allow the breath to come in and out through your nose. And then you can just pick whichever of these words that feels right for you. Is it repeating in on your in breath and out on the out breath? Maybe letting go or slowing down. Or maybe there are some other words that you'd like to use. Choose your words and allow yourself to sink into the place where you're supported. And the breath is in and out through your nose. And the edges of your eyes are soft. Release your jaw and let your shoulders sink down and away from your ears. And take a few moments here just to enjoy 2 words with the breath as you breathe in and out through your nose. And the muscles across your face are smooth. Enjoy this time.